Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I ordered office chair. This is office chair with height, adjustable arms, computer desk chair with curved back, swivel chair with adjustable backrest, home office chair with wheels, maximum kg 115 kg, and this one is royal blue. Comfortable seat pad, height, adjustable arms, and is designed for all day use. Satisfied for 115 kg weight tolerance and 8 hours daily use. Comfortable computer chair, work in comfort in this high back swivel computer desk chair. Curved back, provide maximum support. Height adjustable backrest, adapts to suit the user's body size. Dimension, the width 64 centimeter, diameter is 64 centimeter, the height is 98.5 to 117.5 centimeter, seat height 47.5, seat depth 45 centimeter, seat width 46 centimeter, back height 49 centimeter. We're going to unbox this stuff, check it out and see what is inside. This is screws. Screws for armrest. This is the armrest. This is the base. The seat, the bottom part. This is the backrest. Information pack, operator chair. Let's see what it looks like. This is another armrest. This is what we have here. This is the unboxing of this chair. Just gonna open up this, see if there's anything in there. This is another part. So these are what's included in this packaging. Office chair. I like the color, very solid. Thank you very much.